Hi guys, we back again in our Instagram tutorial. So we want to show you how to do what, change your password in Instagram or on Instagram. It's easier to do so, but there are some reasons why you should do that, and it's advisable to change it maybe at least after a month or a week if you are using public computers. Like you go to internet cafes, you go to people's computers and log in, school computers, and log into your Instagram. You must change that password each and every week, or after 3 days, 5 days. But if you're using your phone only and your home computer only, you can change your password maybe every after 2-3 months. But it's always advisable to change it, especially when your Instagram is a little bit big. Maybe you have a big or huge following. Someone might like to take that away from you, so that's why we to emphasize that you don't have to spend that longer without changing your password. It's something even recommended by the uh, by the owners or the developers or the management, all those people who are running Instagram platform. It's recommended to change your password every after, I think, 7 days, something like that. Okay, frequently you should change your password, not to stay on one password. Also, you don't have to use the same password you use on Instagram, use on Gmail, you use on Facebook. That's a very bad idea. So because if somebody manages to go into one account, so other accounts also can be attacked. So that's why they say you have to use a different password on each and every platform. So let's go into it. Log in to your Instagram. After when you're in, you can see, oh, these are the people on Instagram. Okay, so what you do, you click on that picture, then you click on settings, and you click on change password. If you want to change here, then you can change, put in the new password. I'm gonna put a new one. So they're gonna tell you to repeat that. Okay, make sure you want to change it. If you forgot your password, you have to click here, but if you want to change it, just to change it, you have to change. You can say, it says make sure both passwords match. Simply means both passwords don't match. Okay, let me repeat it. Okay. Let me change. If I've done it well, then it's fine. Your old password was entered incorrect. What? It says your old password was entered incorrectly. Enter it again. So this is the old password they talk about. Okay, let me see if I still remember it. Try to see if we get that. Password change. So simply means we did manage to change our Instagram password. We can see. Let's go back to our Instagram. We log out. Continue as this. Now I'm logging in, and we have a new password. So you can go to settings. You can see, if you go back to change password, it can show you that we have a new password. If I want to change it, still I can change it if I want. If also you want to change a lot of things, you can click on webs, apps, stuff like that. Expired, removed, active. There's no apps which are active. Apps and websites. These are websites they tell you to log in via or using Instagram. That simply means those apps can have some data, or they store your password and username. So you might find that the apps you logged in, they are not safe apps, whereby they store your password and do some funny stuff. So you come to this link called apps and websites. You click here and see which are active. It says these apps and websites you have used Instagram to log into and have recently used. They can request info you choose to share with them. I guess you hear that. So these apps you use, like, you go to the app, they make you to be lazy. They say login via Instagram. So you just click, you don't have to put in a username and password. So those people, they take your information. So you must be careful when you log into everyone. There is a reason why you're changing your password. It could happen like these apps, the one you used, are the ones which took your information and used it in the wrong way. So when you suspect something like that, after changing your password, you come here, you delete those apps if they are there. So active one, we don't have. You have not authorized any applications to access your Instagram account. Go to expired. These apps are websites you have used Instagram to log into and may not have used in a while. They may still have access. Can you hear that? They may still have access to info you previously shared, but their ability to make additional requests for private info has expired. You get me? So they can't do anything, those ones. So removed. So any application you did remove here, any app or website, it's gonna display also here. These apps and websites you have removed from your account. This means they may still have access to your previous shared, but can't make additional requests for private info. Yabo? These ones, even if you did delete them, they may still have some previous shared information. So that's what we say, that you must be sure that you remove everything here. These which are removed gonna be shown here, because now they tell us here, you can see you have no removed applications that had access to your Instagram account. This simply means we don't have any. This account never used any Instagram any apps to log into Instagram. That's why you don't see that there's nothing which is listed here. If there was something which I deleted or removed, they were gonna be shown up here. Expired. These are expired ones. Also there's nothing. And also active, also there's nothing. So we would recommend, please don't use your Instagram account to log into some apps or other apps or all apps. So you can only use this to use maybe Facebook, because Facebook and Instagram are the same thing, same company, so that is safe. You can also log in using your Facebook to Instagram or Instagram to your Facebook. So those two are safer because it's the same thing anyway. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe That's the way you change your password, and do it frequently. We argue that you subscribe, and please comment and share our content to other members. Also, you can leave a comment if you have any tutorial you want us to do. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.